Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yarny J. Today I'm coming to you guys with a tutorial on an affordable look with a natural look on your natural hair. I ran across this hair in a beauty supply store. It's the Outre brand Big Beautiful Hair in the purple pack, and looks like so. It says one pack does it all, and I have 4C Coily in the number 2. And as you see this little sticker here, I did purchase it from my local beauty supply store. You can purchase this hair online from 17 to up to 24, but in my local beauty supply store it was like 25 here, if you can see that. So I did purchase this hair. It does tell you inside and in the back of the pack on how to care for the hair. You can pre-wash the hair, shampoo, and condition. It is 100% human hair premium blend. And for this look, only thing I'm doing, I'm going to be instead of using it as a sew-in, I'm going to do clip-in so I can take it in and out. So when I do want to wear my natural hair and I want a little bit more fullness than what my hair is giving me, I can go ahead and clip these in. So only thing you will need to achieve this look that I'm doing today is a needle and thread, hair clips, and I'll let you guys know how many hair clips I use when I go ahead and sew them on the hair. But I'm not for sure how many, but I do have a good amount of clips. I have about like 14, 16 clips, but I will let you guys know that. And then all you think you need scissors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. My wefts will not be sealed, so by me cutting the hair, cutting it to the measurement of my head, I may experience some shedding, but I will let you guys know about that. So again, this is the Outre and the number 2 Big Beautiful Hair, the purple pack. And it does come with 4 bundles here. 4 bundles there. So I'm going to see if I need to use all of them or not. But I probably will because, like I said, I'm going to double it. So here it is. And then this is the Coily. And I feel like this matches my hair really good when I have like a twist out. So I'm going to go ahead and get that process started. Just going ahead and just sewing those clips onto the extensions and measure that out to my head. And I'll bring you guys back basically when I have that finished. And again, this is just a simple twist out that I did. Use little product as possible. I just basically use some coconut oil to grease the ends of my hair and the scalp. And then I also use some water and a little bit of gel. And the gel I use, it's not hard at all. And I kind of stretch the hair a little bit. I just pull on it. So basically this is what I have here. So I will bring you guys back once I get that situated, and see you then. Hey guys, so I'm back. Excuse the alarm, they're testing the system. Ridiculous. But I went ahead and did it a little different so you can kind of see it with and without. This is like the fullness that I put. I use maybe like 4 clamps of the extensions with my hair, and this is the fullness that I got. So it's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. But I just wanted to come on here so you guys can see the difference that it can make when you leave your hair out and just add the extensions in. And then this is the back. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of that, and then I'll bring you guys back for the final look on how you can achieve a natural hairstyle with the natural like extensions on natural hair. Hey guys, so here you have it. This is the final look that I went ahead and went with. I went ahead and put the clip-ins in the back and did a top knot bun in the front to make it look more natural. And as you can see, and it came out great. I love it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Again, it was a Big Beautiful Hair. I used the Coily 4C. You can find it in your local beauty supply store, but I will go ahead and put where you can find it at online in the description box. You can find it there. If you have any questions, comments, please leave a comment and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help. Again, Big Beautiful Hair, and you can like basically just rock it every day. Love it.